Good afternoon, guys. So today, guys, I'm so excited to show you what I purchased in Zara. By the way, this one that I'm wearing is from Zara. This is the one I showed you last time. And this one is only 13 pound or 10 pound. Yeah, from 30 pounds. So it's really pretty. Actually, I returned the other dress, the foil dress, white. It's good, so long, and I also returned the skirt because it's so tight. Like I cannot move it. So yeah, the rest I keep it. So this is from Primark, by the way. Before I show you what I purchased in Zara again, this one I ordered online, and then it's free when you get it in the Zara shop, which is I do, but they are not always available. So yeah. Okay, I'm excited, guys. Let's open this. Because, oh, by the way, this one is from Primark. It's also sale when I purchased it. It's £8 regular price. Last year I purchased it for £4, and then now it's £8 again. Because this one is like built-in bra, you know. Because I don't like to wear bra when it's uncomfy, so I prefer to wear like this or nothing at all. So let's unbox, guys. I forgot what I ordered, but I think mostly t-shirt because I'm done with dresses. And yeah, so it's so heavy when I went there, you know, but at least it's free, because if I send it to post office, it will be £3, the delivery. So, oh, okay, I like this first. This is actually many. This is the first item, which is, I'm sure I bought it cheap. So it's originally £12, but maybe I purchased it £4, most likely. I will double check later. Yeah, it looks good. And this is the design. Yeah, you know, if you love Zara, you can always check their sale. H&M I like also, but mostly now I prefer the Zara one. Yeah, oh, nice. Because of this detail. The color is not pink. It's like beige. Oh yeah, beige, sorry. Beige. Yeah, looks nice. Okay. I have big hope for it. Next is this. This is padded, as you can see. It's padded. And this is small. All is small. Of course, this is sale, guys. You know, if you're watching me all the time, I only buy sale. Maybe I will buy not sell when it's really like emergency. I need that clothes like that, but mostly it will be sell. And I'm just like always checking online, you know. And this one is £16, but most likely this is £4 or even $3, oh, like that. But this is small, yeah. This is small, but a little bit. But yeah, still I have big hope for it. I hope when I put it on, it's not like so bad, but looks good. And yellow. You know, I like white, black, but since, oh, this is too big. This is small, from Morocco. But this is small, £16 also. But it feels big. I don't know. Because I don't like also when it's too big for me. Look at that. It's like, this is my size, like that. It's too big. It's like large or extra large for me. I don't know, maybe I don't keep it, because if it's too big, maybe, you know. And next is, okay, this one. What do you call that? Bodysuit, yeah, bodysuit. Actually, I don't like bodysuit that much. It's because, I don't know, I feel like they are like so, I don't know, but let's see. I just bought it because it's sale. You know, guys, when it's sale, even you don't like that much because of the price. £16 again. So So just because of the sale. Yeah, so this is what we grab. Okay, let's go to next. Next is this dress. Okay, it's turtleneck. And it's a long, actually it's a long one. Oh my god. I'm using sandal now, so it's okay. But if I'm not going to, oh, I think there's a damage. Oh, I think I need to return it. There's damage. Yeah, it's not a decor. It's really damaged. Too bad, because this is just £6. Look, this one is £6. Look at that. Yeah, I will return it because I don't like it. It's so obvious for me. Oh, it's looks nice supposedly. Maybe I buy it again. Look, it's flowy and it's like 100% cotton. There's still many of this, so I'll just order again because this is just £5 and the original price is £26. You know, it's a bargain. And oh, yellow again. Oh my god, this is too big. Actually, they put this is oversized, but I didn't know it's oversized. I ordered small. This is what happened. Oh, circle, small, but you know the here is circle, so I think it's like mean not true to size. So this is £20, but I cannot wear it also, so I will return it. This one I will keep it. This one I'm 50-50 because of it's big. This one I think I will keep it when it's fit to me. And then this one I think definitely I will keep it because it looks fit to me. So let's see. I still have here more. Oh, this dress. This dress is, I don't know, let's see. This dress, what do you think, guys? I don't, it's like so polyester, so plasticky feeling. Yeah, and then there's like that, you know, because of course, even if I buy it on sale, I don't want it when it's not in good condition, because you can see, guys. I don't know if it's visible. Yeah, like that. Maybe I can, okay, I can remove it actually. This one, not this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't like it, guys. Too bad. But I don't think I like it also because it's a bit plasticky. Yeah, plasticky feeling. And at the back is like this. Actually, I prefer to have really cotton, but 100% cotton. But sometimes I cannot really find clothes that is 100%, dresses that are 100% cotton. So that's why I'm okay. This is supposedly £36. So no to that. Oh, this trouser. This is £8 only, guys. I think I will keep it. Okay, the height is okay for me, I think. And then with belt, the original price is £46. Oh my god, this is expensive for £46. Actually, I bought trouser in Zara most of the time for £30. Sometimes they don't have sale and I need trouser, you know. So this one looks good actually. Yeah, £46, guys. Will you buy it full price? But now it sells, so it's okay. I think it looks okay for me. Okay. Yes. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, I think I keep it. Looks good. Another trouser. As what I told you, I like color white and black. But this is sale. And in the picture, it looks good. But again, they have something here. Because I don't like this one, you know, like extra things. When it's so obvious. When it's hidden, it's okay. But maybe, I don't know. What's the color of this? What's the color of this, guys? It's not purple. It's like mix of purple, red, and pink. Fuchsia, I think. Okay, so this is sell, but this is 40 pound. 40 pound. But maybe I'll keep it. Depends if I will put it on. Yeah, depends. Let's see when I put it on. Next, this t-shirt. This t-shirt, oh, it's a bit thin. It's a bit thin, but it's going, I'm going to use it summer anyway. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay. It's thin, 20 pound for US. So I don't know how much is this in pound, but I guess this is 3 pound I purchased. So just the basic one. They have like this. I don't like this when I see it, but I can cut it. Okay, maybe keep it. Next, white. Okay. Oh, why it's so big? Why it's so big? This is small. This is small, guys. This is 16 pound UK. I hope when I wear it, it's not so big. Oh God, maybe I don't like it. I don't know. I will try it first. Maybe I should buy extra small of this. This look good in the model. That's why I grabbed it. Next is this. This one. It's long. Actually, last time, if you saw, I bought like this, but it's beige. And it's okay, I like it. This one is 36 pounds. It's expensive, yeah. I don't know what is expensive for you, but for me, more than 20 pounds for grass is expensive for me. Maybe because I'm always buying sell. But for others, 45 pounds, it's like that, the price. Yeah, I think I will keep it also. I like dress actually, guys. But it's not good for me to wear dress because I will look big. But for me, getting ready wearing dress is so easy. You just put it on and that's it. You don't need to worry what would be on your top and then trouser like that. Oh, this one looks nice because of this. Just okay, so bad. The one that I don't like again. But maybe I can just cut it. Look at that. This is the one that I don't like. But maybe for this one, I'll give exemption. I will try to cut it. So original price is 16 pounds. And I'm sure I purchased it cheaper. Oh, this is so big also. I feel like maybe this is from the US because their sizing is too big for me, guys. Because in UK, actually, oh, this is medium. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is medium. Don't know why I purchased medium. Maybe because of the design. Maybe because of this. Okay, I will try to wear it. Let's see, maybe I 50-50. It's too big. Oh dear. Okay, let's go to the third from the last. So next is this dress. Okay, I don't know. Oh, okay, there is. And this dress is like that. And then you put it in your neck. I think this is extra small because they don't have the small now. Like that. They don't have the small. So this is extra small. Actually, I don't like this kind of the. Oh my God, it's tall. Oh no, it's long to me. Let's see. It's a bit. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay for me. Yeah, so this is, and then like that. So I don't like this kind of the dress that is so colorful, but when I saw this with the model, I feel like I like it, you know, when I saw this in the model. So I hope I will not regret buying it, because most of my clothes here are like white, plain. My mean is plain, not with this one like printed. So I hope so, but it's pretty, yeah. Okay, try it later. Next is this one. It's padded also. It's not sequins, velvet. You call it velvet, yeah. Okay, so this is at the back. I'm very bad in explaining, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so bad in explaining. So maybe you don't want me to explain, just you want me to show you. This is the back. Sometimes I like to explain, but I know I'm not good in explanation. Sometimes I will say, look at this potato, but I'm holding carrots. Look at this, one of my video I say, look at this, like, okay, like dog, but I'm showing the cat like that. Okay, looks good in the camera. In person, it's okay, but let's see when I wear it. Yeah, and then at the down is like that. Okay, we'll see. Maybe, maybe not. And the last but not the least, this is so small. It's small actually. I purchased small, but this is, maybe it is okay. Maybe it's too small. Yeah, the design is like that. And then you do like this. I know. Yeah, you do like that. You know, like that. So I don't know, I'll try it, guys. So thank you so much for watching my haul. I will try it and let's see. I hope I like it, but I think I will return many because of the size only. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Please do subscribe if you didn't subscribe to my channel, and watch my other videos if you want to see more hauls. Bye.